Well, Jeff again. I did it again. I went and I bought another huge lot at a local auction. Let's see what I found. Alright. So this lot here, it was actually a couple different lots, but ended up being pretty darn close to like a full pallet load. I paid $200 for everything you see here. I think I'm going to do pretty well on it. Alright. We got some Patriotic Magnets, which are way bigger than I thought they were going to be. Got flag ones, there's, oh boy, it's got to be close to 100 of these here. And I have these proud to be American ones. Now on the listing, those looked at their those really small refrigerator magnets. Those are car magnets. I think those will sell better than I actually thought they were going to. Now, school might be coming back, might not. Some areas it will, some areas it won't. So some of the stuff is either going to do really well, or I don't know how it's going to do. But no, nothing else. Eventually, school's coming back, and eventually it will do well. I got this whole box full of these Fiskars Kid school scissors. Tons of them. Just probably close to, I don't know, 50, 60 in there. What else did we get? Oh yeah, this stuff. I think this stuff might be pretty good. It is just tons and tons and tons of team branded, both professional, college, just items. And they have it listed as Bailey Bears. I know someone who might want that. I might send that to him. They had it listed as sports decorations. Like Galaxy. So you can see it's covering tons of different sports. Jaguars. Could take them to the Super Bowl. Yeah, right. Giants. There's some Packers stuff. I might keep it. Texas A&M. I know another person's going to want that one probably. We got all these banners. Ew. Actually, no, that's not who I thought it was. They're okay. Tons of this stuff. I mean, the piece count on these guys, it's gotta be a couple hundred. Got binders. I mean, I believe that the piece count was supposed to be on these guys is about 300 to 400 units. I have a hard time remembering exactly how many. I mean, it was picture frames. Tape. I might give that one to my sister. She went there for law school. Note cards. Any Lobos got fans out there? Not sure where they're from, but someone knows where they're from. Now, I got a whole nother box of those back here. I've got lanyards. I mean, sure, these aren't high-ticket items. They're good shape. They're new with tags. This one here is Xavier. They do good in basketball. Who knows? I mean, what's the weight on this? 2 ounces, even with packaging. This will ship for like $2 or $3 anywhere. So with my piece count, I'm probably at, I'd be shocked if I'm at 50 cents a unit. So even if it sells for $8, $9, $10, a couple dollars, like $1 or so of fees and shipping, I'm still going to be able to do all these, and they don't take up probably any space. And I can do a multi-quantity, because I have, a lot of these ones I have probably about 4 or 5 of each one. So it'll be really easy to list. We've got license plates. Ew, Gophers. Well, this guy here, he might not go anywhere. He's a little bit bent. But we'll see. Maybe it's a little bend back. Maybe no one will notice. Yeah, I'm probably not going to risk getting a bad review off of that. We got tons of pennants. Just Chicago Bulls. You know, Michael Jordan right now is trending pretty big. That might be a good one to get up right away. Alright. Cyclones. This looks like a flag. Tablecloth. Alright. At the price point I bought this at, you can't pass it up. I also got, for the same price, let's see, about 30, can't really tell what they are right here. They're raised dog bowls. I want one for my dog, then I'm going to sell the rest. Those should do pretty good as well. Now, what do we got over here? Oh, we went a little bit dark. I got backpacks, like mainly kid backpacks. So, and look at that, it lights up. No idea who that is. I'm sure my wife will know. If not, I have some young people in my family who can tell me. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 boxes of these. Just tons of different. They're all, a lot of them are different, a lot of them are the same. Good thing about if they're the same, one listing. Take a photo of the front, photo of the back, maybe stuff it. Looks like I got 2 or 3 different varieties here. Polka dots, that princess girl, I don't know who she is. I'm sure someone's screaming in the comments going, it's so-and-so, how do you not know that? I got one kid, he's a boy, and he's 2. He doesn't watch that show yet. This Bubble Guppies, I know it. But not this stuff. So, this just beats going to a thrift store any day. I still do that every once in a while. I'm a little more picky. But, I mean, for 200 bucks, getting this piece count, I mean, if we average them out by cost per item, I mean, right here, it's like a buck a piece just in these, than everything else. I had to drive about an hour each way, there and back, to pick it up. So it was a semi-local auction. I mean, look for your local auction houses. I'm telling you, this sure beats piecemealing one t-shirt, one pair of jeans, and going somewhere else, getting one pair of shoes. You you still can get some pretty good gems doing that. But this bulk stuff is really the way to go. How are you guys sourcing? Have you done any bulk lots like this? Now, this one I knew what was going on. I also like buying ones where I don't have a clue what it is. I believe you saw a video about that recently, about those fire alarm bells. Not the best purchase I've made, but it's doing better than I thought it was gonna. There'll be a video up here, right somewhere up here right about now, about the video about those. And I have sold quite a number of that stuff already. I am kind of shocked. I'm almost broken even on it so far. And they've only been listed for about a month. I did split those bells between about half of them into like actual, list them as they were, replacement fire alarm parts. Half of them as man cave items. The man cave side of it is doing really, really well, especially with those red bells. The gray ones, they're not moving. The red ones, those things are beautiful. I do have someone who may buy all of the gray ones from me. Because what he's going to do, he's going to buy 2 or 3 and test it out. But he wants to take them, completely strip off the paint, and he's going to put in a local fire department's logo on each one and basically make like a little plaque. I contacted him out and said, hey, do you want these? Is there anything you can do with these? It's a guy I know who just is very creative and he makes amazing work. He went, let me think about it. Came back, emailed me a little bit while ago, said, hey, I got this crazy idea. What do you think? I think it's brilliant. I'm going to sell him as many as he wants, $3 a piece. I have about 200 of the gray bells. So even if he only takes the $2-3 a piece, even if he only takes like 100 of them, that's my whole cost. I've already sold about $130 worth of the rest of the stuff, so I would be in the money if he takes them all. So let me know, how are you guys sourcing? Subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye-bye.